What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Halabibu Official. Guys, today it's a special day to me and I thank God for this far. But right now, guys, I travel 300 kilometers from Nyabuhansi village to another village. As you can see, this place, it looks like a desert, and automatically here it's a desert. Even you can see no house here, but my motorbike is there, and you can see it's a totally desert, man. Look, even look at the water, man. It's a desert, guys. So I travel and I wander, but I want to show you amazing content within these beautiful villages. This village you want to see on the videos, it's a distance from here. Even you can see some vehicles are passing here. Wow. So try to imagine. Look, so there's a bus, imagine, proverbs. So there's a school bus or a private. It doesn't have any clue, but I want to prove this place are a desert. Totally look these stones. These trees. Wow. But here you might find some small towns. I don't want to say it's a desert, but you see a green a little bit. Yeah, so you see a little bit, but it's totally dry. Totally dry. Look at this. Even guys, I want to show you something here. I'm trying to show you this. Oh, so let's move up to Muru Bay. Okay, so it's a journey by itself, and my motorbike is here. So I want to show you something amazing. Look at this, which shows I want to show you. But when you see this stuff, it's found on a desert, this one here. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about this video for today? Kindly give a like, and if you try to look at my face, guys, a lot of dust, but I make sure I want to change some content and some views. So not only every day I want to show you Nyabuhansi village. No, man. So I must show you different views, different nature, and also different culture, you know. So within this place, people are hospitality, and no one who can maybe say, oh, what are you doing? But I hear we mind our own business. And let's see my motorbike. It's over here. So let's see. Man, you done amazing for me, and I can't take things for granted. So I'm using this motorbike. So I put some fuel here for 5 USD, and my friend over there. So we travel from our village up to here. This place we call Muru Bay. So the lake, it's on other side. So we tried to go over there. Imagine 300 kilometers by using this motorbike. It's a trick situation, but when you compare with in terms of sport bike, I see this one is trying, but I wanna the reason why I pause is to cool the engine and to continue with our journey, guys. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming.
Hello, babe.
Yep.
What's up?
All right, guys, so I'm just here. So because we have too much of the sun, but I'm in Lake Victoria, as you can see. So the higher you go, the deep refined. So but here you can see the smooth sand. Alright, man, so let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos. But we wait for the owner to use that stuff. Hey, look the water coming the force. Wow, look. And then okay, so guys, I'm not on coastal beaches, but I'm just here. Wow, this is my first experience to be here. So try to imagine, look. Wow, coming that way because of the force of attraction. Oh, okay, there's someone taking shower there, so I can't go. And then let's try to see. So I travel far away from my village up to here, guys, to show you amazing content. And it's a kind of a show, man. Wow. Hey, try to imagine. Wow. It's just like a beach, but we tried. So let's pass here, and you can see people are washing. So I want to show you something amazing. But there's one guy taking shower over there. Wow. So technically people around Lake Victoria are hospitality. So when I mean hospitality, as you can see, this is some boat that were being here. Okay, but I'm heading this way. I want to show you something amazing. So I'm trying to find other way for going on other side. So I want to show you something amazing, guys. Kindly enjoy today's vlog. It's a special videos, and I sacrifice myself to show you what you want to experience for this Victoria. Yeah, this is a pump over here. Right over here, you wanna see a wow. Okay, dog, let's all get here. Simba. Wow. So even you can find some trees inside the lake, but here it's not deep. Wow. This is a generator area. So this is the solar panel over here. So technically it pump water from this and maybe transfer for entire villages for other side when you're going that way. But I will try to imagine. So I came a little bit. Well, so during my primary education, we have one subject called science. When you find this stuff, it's found near alongside the water, down like this one here, and other slippery stuff. So let's move, man. I feel like I wanna catch that boat, but it's deep. It's deep, man, to be honest. Wow. Hey. You wanna see some pipe? So technically it generates water from here. We're using this generator over here. So I'm not blagging things. And guys, let me know in the comment section. This is a stone. You might step, you think it's a stone. Finally you find it's a tortoise. Wow. Hey. Okay. Let's see. Wow. So, but when I'm using, let me sit on these stones here. So in Africa, we blessed. So when you're going to the lake, maybe inside you find some stones. But when I'm going far away, I see some stone with my eyes. So when I reach there, I wanna sit and show you. Crazy. Look at this. Wow. Woo. So even there is a white bird over there. Wow. So man, I feel like I wanna go to other side, but let's see. When it's deep, I don't want to go there. But I have those intention to go to other side because there's young children doing boat racing over there. So I feel like, how am I do? Or I sacrifice myself to pass on this part here. So let's see, because I need to show my audience good stuff. Let's see whether it's deep. Wow, guys. So I try to imagine I'm coming from that far end, but I want to use this area. But man, oh. So I'm in water. Guys, I'm scared. I'm in water. So look. So let's see. I'm going to the other side. Wow. Guys, I manage. But I want to see those boys. Wow. So it's a pure sand. Pure sand, but totally it's smooth. Whew. Let's see. I want to capture those boys. And oh man, there's some animal here running in there. So I'm scared about there. I see some wild animal over there. Hey, let's see. And I want to ask him several questions before I experience on this type of boats that you see here. You must be very careful here. Like man, you know when you came a place, you are new here, you wanna fear a lot. Look that bird. Ah yeah. So I need to ask this boy here before I go. Wow. Look at this bird over here. Look. Hey. And psychological, when you find those trees, coconut trees, it's found near the lake or near the beaches. Wow. Hey, hey. Wana si moja munipe ride kidogo. Yeah? Yeah, si muniendesha kidogo. Mnaweza nipeleke side nyingine? Tawapa 100 mnipeleke huko kwa hizo boti zingine. Mia bana, njoo mnivushi. Ama mnaiga? Mnaiga? So I'm asking some boys here whether they want to study. Yeah, nivushe kule. Auku. So I'm telling that small kids, they were riding some boat, so to take me to other side. So guys, I'm here, but let's sacrifice myself. Uh-oh. Eh. Bana mtaniangusha bana.
Hapana.
Eh? Amwe? Eh. Amwezi niangusha.
Kaka.
Eh? Si sehemu ni ndefu. Si ni ndefu kwenda hapo. Eh. Unaweza ogelea?
Hapana uwezi. Una mamawe.
So mnaweza nipeleka hadi huko? Huko ile side nyingine. Yes guys, so I need to pay him $1 USD money to take me on other side. So simsogeze basi.
Leta mkono.
Naweza kaa tu ndani.
Asi unanivuruta?
Oh. These are like a dog. Arafu?
Ingia.
Si mbaya rafiki yangu, usiogopi.
Unapeleka wapi?
Utaonekana hata na wazungu.
Yaani anaogopa, anadhani hiyo utamuona, watamuona kule kwa TV.
Hakuna, utaonekana ng'ambo na wazungu.
Panda tuende.
Yeah. Mnajua kuendesha? Sintakuwa mzito.
Ndio kae pale.
Bana, mbona unasukuma?
Hapana. Wewe ingia tu.
Nikae wapi?
Unda semne majiri kani majiri. Hapa.
Na mnajua kuendesha? Guys, I'm fear. Wanajua kuendesha?
Anajua.
Nikae wapi toto hapa?
Yes, hapo.
Nikae hivi?
Yes. Kama ukiangalia
huko.
So you can enjoy yourself.
Aya, suja tuende na wewe.
Mimi nabaki.
Wow. Nipeleke huko mwanangu.
That person that you are.
Hello.
Sisi tunatoka bana.
Ndio nakuja mwanangu, navushwa na maji.
Ate?
Ndio nimefika hapa kwenye nini. Toto suendeshe basi. Yes, so guys, I'm just here. Nakuja ndio nimefika hapa.
Waisha basi.
Haya. Guys, so that kid. So there's some boat waiting me. Oh. Eh? Na mnajuaje?
Hapo kitambo ilikuwa tu kama.
Guys, I feel like I'm comfortable, but I sacrifice myself.
What's up? How are you?
Hey. Man. Guys, what do you think about these videos of today? I'm just sitting on this stuff here and bamba imekwama kwenda. Yeah?
Tunaenda.
Pana hii.
Ugusuwe koyo. Ikuangu.
Bana twende. Oh. Oh my God.
Sasa kama ni hii ndio umeogopea.
Eh?
So what about ukifika pale kwenye zile eneo?
Oh my God. Wow. So usiogope bana, wewe endesha boat twende. Alright, so guys, I'm on this Lake Victoria. But I was on the other side. I want to show you these trees, but I came on the back. Mana maji yanajaa humu. Humu ndani.
Asi tunini kuna makamba zingine. Tunaikaga hapo.
So my friend is waiting over there. So let me have the phone to zoom this stuff.
Scott.
Oh my God. Wow. Bana simuendeshe mbali inakwama. Upepo. Bana mnanipeleka wapi?
Ajimopoteza. Unasoma pale? Ajimorudisha.
Nirudishe bana. Wale wananiacha huko. Wananiacha huko.
Ajimopolore kacha. Unajua mbona? Yaani mamake.
Sasa simu nipe. Okay. Nirudishe huko.
Utakurudisha.
Nirudishe saa hii unaachwa.
Au tupite hapa. Shukisha na
Amna. Hapa mtapita? Hapa ndani? Haya. Mtapita wapi? Guys, take a look.
Scott donga chandio sebaro.
Wow. So on the other side I'm using my phone to use. Okay, twende tukatiani hapo. What? Bana hiyo ni nini?
Gani?
Maana inapinda.
Hiyo ni kule kitu.
Bana. Oh yeah.
Ajimoluor. Ogude bado maracho.
Guys, I'm fear. Bana.
Acha kushika. Ona watu.
Okay. Oh my God. Wow. Bana simuendeshe mbali inakwama. Upepo. Bana mnanipeleka wapi?
Ajimopoteza. Unasoma pale?
Ajimorudisha. Nirudishe bana. Wale wananiacha huko. Wananiacha huko.
Ajimopolore kacha. Unajua mbona? Yaani mamake.
Sasa simu nipe. Okay. Nirudishe huko.
Utakurudisha.
Nirudishe saa hii unaachwa.
Au tupite hapa shukisha na
Amna. Hapa mtapita? Hapa ndani? Haya. Mtapita wapi? Guys, take a look. Wow. So on the other side I'm using my phone to use. Okay, twende tukatiani hapo. What? Bana hiyo ni nini?
gani?
Bana inapinda.
Hiyo ni
Bana. Oh yeah. Guys, I'm fear. Bana. Okay. Guys, I'm following water, but I need to promote this case here. Oh, 100. Okay. Guys, at the same time, there's some people calling me, so I promote you. Mtashia wote.
Thank you.
Yes. Wow. Okay.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Man, I'm fear this place. But even I'm falling inside the water, you can see I'm wet. But I'm trying to sacrifice myself to show you amazing videos. But I have that intention to sit on boat. Okay. Lake Victoria. Hey. So this is the pipe here. Hey. Shika. Naweza pita hapo?
Wewe pita tu.
Wale ni vijana wako? Wenye wamenileta hadi hivi na maji.
Ndio.
Wameogopa, nilikuwa nimeombewa nivushe. Hizi ni samaki.
Matezi.
Guys, this is some fish. Wow. Na mlienda kuvua mbali? Hai. Guys, I feel like I'm in water. I'm just sacrificing myself. Let's see. I have a dog here. Hey! Yeah man, what next? Watoto amenizungusha nimeogopa. So, hii ni machine? This is a propeller. Nipandie hapo?
Pande hapo.
Nikanyage hapo?
Hapo, alafu kanyage hapo.
Hapo.
Alafu kaa vizuri huko.
Wapi? Niambie penye nitakaa. Huku.
Kaa tu hapa hapa.
Kama ukipenda uje ukaa hata huko mbele, mahali penye unapenda sasa.
Nisikie kwanza hivi nivae. So guys, I want to wear the life jacket. Sasa nani anafunga nyuma?
Hivyo ama ni hapo mbele. Nafunga.
Weka reverse ko.
Reverse ko. Hold for me well taken. Kidogo. Maana yangu haina kidogo. Maana yangu haina mbele.
Wanafunga na zip. Guys, now man, I said that what is it? The house I was thought the house is going back. Now it's time for moving, guys.
Man, I feel like
Hello, baby official is
wow.
With a life jacket, full of combat. Now your
yes,
chest is
in case of anything,
yeah.
You wanna float on water until water swim on.
You know that the stomach will float, but how is the leg?
It's a waterproof life jacket.
You are too heavy, man. Hey. I don't think you can float.
Wow. If we are a European country, I feel like I'm Europe.
Europe.
Yes. Wow. Let's try, guys. We are here with Mogesi.
I see the boats are moving. Those boats are moving, man.
There is something we call dock. Dock. Where the boat can. Wow. Hapo umeweza kungurumisha. That's my drive over there.
What's up?
Hey, let's see.
Now the engine is just on starting.
Even I left my shoes at the back.
It will be stolen.
Who can stall and I'm just okay. Guys, I've forgotten my shoes, but I will try.
I see the boats are just moving.
Bani mezima.
Dog.
Eh.
Yo ndio nanga.
Eh. Asiwezi amka. Eh? Wade.
Now Mogesi is closing the hut. He's closing the hut, guys.
Imagine the drive is the back and like this. Hey. Hey. Wow.
Guys, for you watching the video, you thought that you are still there, but you are moving. Look how they move.
Woo.
Hello, baby.
Yes. Guys, I'm just in water. Lake Victoria.
Guys, this one on one.
Maybe I can use my phone to zoom.
You can use your phone. Look. This everything is
Weka wallet.
also on this side. Hata wale wanatumia mashini inaivuta hii.
Wow, guys, I'm just in Lake Victoria. Wow.
Guys, now we are going. I don't know where.
I'm inside of water.
The what? Hey.
Yes.
Hello, baby.
Yep.
Unafikiria deep. Do you think what is the deepest of the what? Do you think the deepest of
4,700 kilometers.
Buti ngapi?
Naweza kaa pale unachukua ya nyuma.
Haina shida. So it's time to go, man.
Kifua aje sasa?
Sema hivi kama
Wow.
50
Eh.
mpaka 50 unajibukiza mtogani.
Guys,
Let's go.
now it is like
Man, it's my time to go. At the
it's
back,
like
I'm
50,
feeling. Yeah?
50 kilometer.
50
Going deep.
kilometer?
Yeah,
Deep.
deep. 50 kilometer. And the Mogesi with the hat. Mogesi with the hat, guys. Just,
Man, we just here to sacrifice ourselves and to show you amazing.
guys, now I'm already crossing my hat and the left it. Look how the water.
Huyu ndio. Ndio jaramba gani?
Wow.
Jojo. Kila kitu kiko sawa.
Okay.
Guys, let me sleep. Hello, maybe you'll wake me up until the time.
Imagine I'm sacrificing my phone inside the lake.
Look how the.
Yeah. So I'm using two phones.
But it's using the machine. It's using the machine.
So on the back was my driver. Wow, man, this is my first impression or experience
I want to say
on Lake Victoria.
Actually, if you'll be able to see the fish, now start counting the fish. See how many fish are going to land. Hello, baby.
Yeah.
I want to press the camera so that the people who are watching the video, they can count how many fish who are just passing.
It's a
going.
waterproof. Where I can land.
No.
So, man, my camera is a waterproof. I can drop inside the water.
No, don't drop. They can inside by the. Do you know what we call dolphin? Dolphin.
Okay. Wow. Hey, the beauty of Lake Victoria. Wow. Mugesi,
Yeah, man.
how do you feel?
Me, I'm already crossing my heart. I have already killed my heart from there. Yeah, man. Now experience that Lake Victoria.
And the one of this stuff is Helmond number 4.
Elmont.
Yeah, that's Helmond number 2. I guess mine is Helmond number 5.
Yeah, man.
I feel like I can move my.
You
So
don't know how
guys,
to swim?
no. Today I'm not in my hairstyle. I remove it. Wow.
When I see some lips inside.
Hey. Wow. So it's our time to leave, man. Yeah. And let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos. I'm on this stuff. Wow. And we have another boat. We use some cooking stick. But I try. I see it's kind of I'm risking my life. But the people of this place or near the lake are very intelligent. Even I can go to see like Migingo
Guys,
Highland.
we are heading to someone's secret agenda inside the water. Now we have traveled like
Yes, 10 kilometers from the far end. Wow. That's my driver. That's the machine on the back.
Too much. 2 kilometers.
Yeah? It's 2 kilometers.
The land.
Imagine guys, I'm in water, I'm in this lake, 2 kilometers from
the water has started jumping, man.
yeah?
The hill.
Tunaenda kwa hili.
Hey.
Migingo.
Hasa ndio maji inakuja hivi. Haiwezi kuwa mbaya.
I'm fear, but I'm sacrificing myself on the second largest, maybe the first highest or the biggest Lake Victoria in Africa here. I'm here with the guests.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan means Jamaica. Jamaican people.
We are just here
Yeah.
to sacrifice ourselves.
Now we are Jamaican in heart.
Oh man, I had some wind is coming from there. Hapana, nataka tugeende.
Yes. Is that the rain coming through?
That's the wind, blowing of the wind in the lake.
The water.
Yeah, in the sea breeze. Wow.
The wind is taking.
Hey, hey. Man, let's go.
We are going to the land of Samaki.
Land of Summer.
Land of fish.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're heading to the fish.
Land of fish.
Land of fish.
Land of birds. Land of everything
Okay.
is there.
Yeah, man. So I'm in the Lake Victoria.
But people is not there.
Yes.
People come morning.
Man, I'm feeling like I'm thirsty. So I can I drink this water?
Yes.
Naweza kunywa maji? Aye.
Yes.
Hey.
You can drink.
Woo. Man, came to Africa and experienced the life of Africa. So I'm sleeping on this. Wow. So let's go. See the water is coming. And the wind is coming. Pop, 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 pop. So guys, don't mind. This is my life jacket here. So at the far end I see Migingo. The far end, that's Migingo Highland, near the border of Uganda and Kenya. So technically, that's Migingo.
Where?
There. Technically, the government of Kenya tried
Uganda.
and Uganda, yes, tried to defeat Ugandan government. Yeah. Migingo
Ndio ile nilikuwa nakuonyesha. Ona ndio ile inaonekana iko na moshi.
ile huko juu. Yes, at the Migingo. Yes, at the far end that's Migingo Highland. So it's break the border of Kenya and Tanzania. But government of Kenya tried to defeat government of Uganda, so Migingo, they were being counted to the part of Kenya, or to the land of Kenya.
That.
Yeah?
That.
Yes.
The missing boat.
Wametumia magunia. Wow. Man, I'm going to another stones. Look at the far end. At the far end there. Okay, wanatumia upepo.
Wao wanatumia upepo.
I want to see the fish. I want to see the fish.
Wow. If you are a Luo, subscribe on this channel. So today I'm at my motherland. Here, Lake Victoria, and the crazy thing is there's some stones surrounded by the lake here. So even I can take a thumbnail from there. At the far end, there's a stone.
That is an island. Small island.
A dock. A dock.
A duck. What with me is an
Hey!
so
And
it's
you're
a land.
Yeah? That's another land. Hey, you had experience how to make these boats.
And is that got more.
And this is a tank here.
This is a tank.
Okay.
We have a fuel line.
Okay. Yeah. Right. So this is another island here. Guys, I'm almost to close my eyes. The boat is going this way. Oh my God.
This is the
Oh,
experience of
send
water.
me.
Let me
Don't try, don't try.
Next time,
I'm
just
crying.
going to try on the air.
I'm crying, don't cry. Next time
On the Uganda,
airplane,
yeah.
yeah?
Next time we go to the airport.
Imagine.
Eh?
Tuaje kwa Kiswahili.
Gani?
Unaona ile yenye kwa mawe.
Ona mamba. Mamba.
Ile
What?
kenge.
Si tungefika karibu ama itatukura.
Kenge ile nini? Ile kenge.
Guys, there is an animal there.
It is on the stones, but I can't zoom.
Is a crocodile.
Ni kama crocodile.
Hiyo ni kenge.
Kenge.
Ndio tunaenda. Toki.
Hello baby. What is that? Hello baby. There is some of the
Toa hizo nini?
Nini? Viatu.
Hizo viatu weka ndani.
Mbona?
Unaweza tareza.
Na hapa kuna vitu zingine.
Okay. Man,
Like this is the leg of the animal.
Be able to take the water.
I want to take shower.
This is the leg. And then there is something
My driver, they want to take shower here.
Hizo ni samaki waga zinaliwa hapa ama nini?
Hizo ni
Mburukenge.
hey,
They want to take shower here.
Guys, even I'm just
So,
walking, but I'm just
I don't want to show you people taking shower. Let's go. Hey,
Imagine now we are. This is the only.
yo Burukenge iko wapi?
Iko huko chini.
This is found. Be careful, man.
Ah. Guys, maybe the next time, just send us maybe something to take a flight. Eh. I want to send a what
wanavua huko, wakishapata samaki inatumbukiza nanga, wanakaa ile mashine yenye inatoka nje inakuja inazunguka, inafanya sanding kwa kila mtumbi, kila mtumbi inarudi na samaki.
Okay guys, that's information all about Lake Victoria. We're at the place called Muru Bay. So this is the starting of Lake Victoria. It's around East Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. This lake that you see here. Right. Man, so let me know in the comment section what you think about these videos. Kindly give a thumbs because struggle with some light. It is what it is, guys. All right, guys. So I want to show you there's some called there's someone who look like a crocodile. They were sleeping here and basking sand. Maybe after this vlog you wanna see that animal. So guys, I hope you wanna see me better because of the sun, too much of the sun. Yeah. Tunaenda. Oh yes, tuende. Yeah. And the crazy thing, there's some shows and whatever, and there's some trees here on the lake. Yeah. So you must be very careful. Try to imagine I'm coming from that point. Oh, so it's our time to leave here. Hey. You must be very intelligent, guys. Wow. Coming from there.
To drop him.
Tena? Nikanyage hapo?
Risking my life. Don't want to risk my life.
Kidogo.
Still I'm a bachelor. Oh, baby, you want to drop us, man?
I'm fear. That's a duck.
Kiri nikanya una nini? Ina kiri mone tena gani?
There baba my jacket. Because it's squeeze. Hey.
Wewe lago. Yaani hii kitu inatoka unaona tena mawe inarudi nyuma.
Oh man, so it's our time to leave here. So we on the other side there.
Sio nipe grass iko hapo. Yeye nipe grass. Watu wanaishi na.
Hatuwezi enda hivi. Oh my god, so I want to say bye bye there. Hiyo ni kona ndio ulikuwa unachukua.
Leo usiingie kwa mawe. Hapo naweza kuingia kwa mawe.
Ipige mwanguki.
Ipige mwamba propela inabidi. Udaiwe wewe kama driver udaiwe propela.
Okay, so there's some there's some propeller used to rotate and speed out.
Unajua propeller ndio hilo linatazama mashine. Hiyo ndio mashine. Hiyo propeller.
Okay. So it's time to go back. Right. Because the sun was facing here. So man, I'm struggling light. Let's go. What?
Weka ni kuchukua yako. Sadele. Na macho haionekani huku.
Bye bye guys.
Safi guys.
So it's my time to leave.
Yes.
I'm traveling inside the lake. But next time I want to take my flight from my village to Mombasa. Oh.
Ukaoga huko. Uka umeoga.
Bado.
Sasa unatupeleka sehemu ya kuoga wapi? Narudi sehemu tulitoka. Acha nilale tukifika mniambie.
And guys, my friend is sleeping here. Just like this.
Guys, we are risking the life. That's why let us sleep until that time we will leave.
Yes, you must sacrifice yourself. Man, I'm sleep. Wow. I'm just here. I'm risking my life on Lake Victoria. Even I can touch water. Hey! Look. So I want to wash my face, guys. Water. Yes, Ben. Eh? Twende. Eh? Guys, I'm taking. Yes, I'm washing my face by using water lake. Going there. Man, imagine how African were intelligent. Yeah, imagine how African were very intelligent. Hey. Yes, at the far end there is some police post. Yeah? I hear this shit. What? Yo mtandao? Ile ni nini? Hiyo?
Kuna samaki zinauzwa hapo ndani.
Hiyo ndogo hiyo.
Tilapia.
Naitwa kabiskeli. Tunafahamu biskeli. Wapi hapo?
Ile ni machine.
Biskeli hiyo.
Kama hii.
Machine kwa. Ile.
So now we take a reverse, so it rotates and the dog is inside the water. Wow, so I'm back, guys. So we are going for the park here. Ile ni nini? Ile si kiboko, ile ni ndege mwana. Okay, this is how we park. So this is the parking area.
Here, Judge. Here. 200. Now,
so let's remove my jacket here. So this is the parking area. Shafika. They throw and then they want to tie it there. Kushuka na wajafunga. Acha afunge. Eh. Oh my God! Imagine I was sitting here. This is a tank, is the engine. So what is this for fishing?
This is the floater.
Floater for fishing. Yeah, man.
That's good.
Yeah, man. Hey. One
jump?
step, two step. On water. Bye bye. Bye bye. Eh. Chop. Ndio propera ni moto. Ni plastic iko. I was fearing, but it's God's plan. I thank God I reached safe for this journey, so you wanna enjoy it. Sasa nifungue machine, nifungue. Hapo narudisha mafuta. Yeah, ibaki. Wadu umeandika jina lako. Eh. Prosega. 96 62 48 96 42 49. So it's our time to remove our engine. Nambari mnaifunika na hii.
Gino mio sabundo lala kwa nyero.
Lipi? 42 49. So we take our engine outside. Salimia bwana.
Tuko hapa karibu.
Yeah man, tulikuwa nchi nyingine. Guys, we are on another heaven.
Milambo.
Milambo.
Sasa inaitwa Milambo.
Pia tumeni inaitwa Milambo. Eh?
Ongwe.
Ongwe. Si hapa ni manani? Wanaitwa Muru Bay.
Muru Bay.
Eh.